Let's see the question number 2. Which one of the following elements is unable to form MF6 3- ion? Ga aluminum, In B boron. Okay, as B has only S and P orbital, as B has only S and P orbital and no D orbital available, therefore at the maximum it can show a coordination number of 4. Coordination number of 4, which is not be the form of complex of MF6 3-. So B, that is boron, will be the answer, which is unable to form MF6 3- ion. GaAlIn, all three can able to form MF6 3 ion. So these all are not the answer. Only B, that is boron, will be the answer. That is question number 4. Let's see in the next slide. Is this correct or not? Yes, this is correct. B, that is 4th option, that is boron, is correct, and hence it is the correct answer.